Okay, this is the geometry review for chapter 9. The first problem says, graph the image of the figure using the transformation given, reflection, across the y-axis. So what we're going to do is reflect everything across this line. So if it's on the right side of the line, I need instead to move it to the left side of the line the same distance. So since k is 1 unit to the right, I'm going to go 1 unit to the left, and that's where k prime belongs. Up here, j is 1 unit to the left, so I'm going to go 1 unit to the right for j prime. I appears to be 1, 2, 3 units to the left, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 units to the right, I prime. H is 1 unit to the left, so 1 unit to the right for h prime. Then I can connect those dots. And we have the reflected image. If I wanted to use the rule for reflecting across the y-axis, I would take each term as it was and keep the y value the same, but change the x value to be the opposite of what it was. So let's just do one for an example. Let's do I. So I is at -3, 2. Excuse me. -3, 2. So it would change to be 3, 2, right? We would change this from being negative, that's what it originally was, to the opposite of that. So it's going to be +3, 2. Let's count, make sure it works. So we went 1, 2, 3 to the right, up 1, 2, and there's I prime, just like we thought. Okay, number 2 is a reflection across the line x equals 2. So when we have a line that says x equals some number, like 2, that is going to be a vertical line at 2. If we were reflecting across some line, y equals some number, that would be a horizontal line. So this one, we're reflecting about the line, or across the line, x equals 2. That's the line right there. M is already on the line, so m prime is in the same place. K is 2 units to the right of this line, so we're going to go 2 units to the left. There's K prime. L is 1 unit to the right, so it's going to be 1 unit to the left, L prime. And we can connect those dots. And we've taken care of those 2 problems. Okay, let's try number 3. This is a translation along the vector 0, -4. So the first term is telling us how far to the right or left to move, and the second term is telling us how far up or down to move. So 0 in the first column means don't shift left or right, but the -4 is telling us to take each unit down 4. So the R is right here. R prime is going to be 4 units below that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's our R prime. Now if we were using our coordinates rule, we said that if the vector looked like this, you would take the coordinate xy, and it becomes x plus a and y plus b. So let's look at R. Its original coordinate is at 0, 2. Since the vector is 0, -4, we would take 0 plus 0, which is just 0, and -4 plus 2, which is -2. And sure enough, we have plotted that point at 0, -2. I'm just going to shift the rest of these by counting down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's S prime. 1, 2, 3, 4. T prime. And 1, 2, 3, 4 is U prime. Then we can connect these dots. I've got it. Okay, number 4. The first number is telling us to go to the right 4. Second number is telling us to go up 6. So let's start with J. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right at the tip top. J prime. K, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's K prime. I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that J or I? It's I, because the other one's J, right? Okay. and h is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's h prime. Whoops, went a little high there.